1343, the train guard just went down. Of course, perfect timing.
1335 46. You got me and 43 pulling up on you right now.
Go around to your side.
Not occupied at all?
I don't think so. Where are you at, Cameron? Here, you coming with me a little bit? Yeah, it's unoccupied.
Unoccupied.
1343, you can clear the signal too. 1343, can we get the last four of the VIN? Copy a match.
Just the engine apartment's hot.
Already checked, it's cold. Everything's frosted over, so it's probably been here.
Yeah, I mean, he's en route, and I'll just get.
Where's he coming from?
He's coming from 13.
Oh, okay.
13.
Yeah, we can just do it when he comes here then.
Yeah.
The car was stolen?
It was stolen 2 days ago, I think.
It's like not even damaged, so.
No. My guess is they stole it, did whatever they were going to do, and parked it here.
And then, I mean, it's pretty clean inside too.
Yeah, he said even the radio, that was gone. That was already taken out. He didn't have one in there, so.
All right.
1343.
Cornell and Elam Young West with the silver Mazda SUV. Hello.
Hi.
How are you? My name is Officer Loban, Hillsboro Police. My body camera's on.
Yeah.
I stopped you because you kept going over the white line, and I just want to
yeah.
make sure you're okay to drive.
Oh yeah, no, I'm fine.
Okay.
I didn't realize I was doing that.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, it happened like 3 times, and that's
Okay.
usually when I'm like, hey, are you okay to drive? You know
yeah,
what I mean?
no,
So-
I'm good. I'm just
okay.
getting off work. But
Gotcha.
Yeah.
You got your license with you real quick?
Yeah.
All right, take a look at that real quick. Just give me 1 second. I'll be right back.
Okay, thank you.
I just wanted to check and make sure she was okay to drive.
I mean, it's been a long day, but I'm fine.
I got you. All right, drive safe.
Appreciate it.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Hi.
Howdy.
You mind keeping your hands out of your pockets for me, please?
Here, let me show you. It's
You can just keep your hands out of your
I
pockets.
know it's
okay.
cold. I'm just
okay.
gonna show
I
you
got
there's
you.
nothing in
Okay.
there.
All right.
So when we tell you that, John, the last thing we want to do is pull something out of your pocket.
Copy.
I had someone pull a meth pipe on me, try to stab me with it a little bit ago.
Oh, shit.
So don't pull stuff out of your pockets, okay?
Feel
When we
free
say
to pat
out of
me
it, just-
down.
No, I got you. But when we ask you that, it's just, hey, just keep them out of your pocket,
Is
right?
it okay if I put them back in?
Yeah, obviously I
Okay.
saw that there's nothing
Okay.
in there now, but in the future, don't be like, oh no, I'm
Stand in
gonna
here a minute.
pull everything out and show you.
What's with the photography?
Yeah, that's our media guy.
Media guy?
Yeah. Where are you going with this thing?
Taking it back to my buddy Dave.
Your buddy Dave?
Yeah.
How far is your buddy Dave?
Well, I was calling Gary to help haul it over to Dave's, but my phone died. Now, I borrowed it from Dave quite a while ago.
Is this your bag right here?
That's my girlfriend's bag.
Girlfriend's bag?
Yeah.
Is there any other stuff in there, in that bag?
I haven't got a clue, bud. Feel free.
Are you cool if I just check the bag, look through it? Okay.
Better not be anything in there.
Yeah, that would suck. Where's your girlfriend at?
She's... I don't know, honestly.
You don't know?
Did you or something?
Yeah, kind of.
What?
What's going on with that?
That's kind of crazy. She got a bunch of cords. Is that her purse? What kind of
No, it's not her purse.
her knick-knack bag?
Keeps her phone chargers and shit.
This is an odd one, I'll tell you that. I've never seen
Very
anybody
strange.
walking down the sidewalk with a trailer and a generator on it.
I'm glad I could be your first.
Yeah.
There was a big old crystal right there.
Yeah.
Is it the type of crystal that is illegal?
I'm fucking with him.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
Can
So-
I charge my... You got a phone charger?
Well, she has a bunch of chargers in her purse, it looks like.
And you got a generator, bro.
I don't... Is there a...
So you got everything you need right here, dude.
Yeah, it's out of gas.
Ain't got no gas in it.
It ain't got no gas in it.
All right, man. Yeah, just try to get out of here quick, all right?
Okay.
All right, thank you. There's like a tag on it, but it's like, it's so faded. You can't read anything at all, so there's no way to run it.
All right.
Yeah, that's pretty weird. Pretty weird.
Yep. On to the next one. What's going on here?
I got home from work It's my car.
1343. I'm out with 1428 on his call. Okay.
And then for the past whole 3 days, she's been like drunk.
Okay.
And then she keeps talking, because I got pulled over two or three, I forgot. And I paid it. And she just like keep threatening me about the tickets and saying how it's gonna impact because the car isn't on my name.
What I'm concerned about is what happened tonight. Was anything physical between you and Mom? Okay, can you tell me about that?
She was like, yeah, I'm gonna get a warrant on you, yeah, blah, blah, blah. And I didn't do anything. I literally left her alone.
She's being very vague about the situation, said that there's something about a water bottle and something about her mom breaking
Stop. 1 second.
a fingernail on her hand, but
She's very all over the place.
You hit me.
Understand her, but
You should never do that to me.
so you're not under arrest or anything, but obviously I want to ask you specific questions about what happened tonight. So I'm going to read your rights, okay? Doesn't mean you're under arrest or anything. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you? Okay. So your mom, she's saying that you hit her in the chest, and she's showing us these injuries. Can you tell me more about that?
That's the water bottle. That's me just going like this. Just blocking myself.
And you threw it at her? Did it hit her?
Yeah, right at the chest.
Right at the chest. Did you throw it pretty hard, or?
I think so. I was mad.
Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. Was it full?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was like the ones on the counter that she leaves.
Okay. And then what happened after that?
My brother came. My brother was yelling to stop, to move
Yeah.
the bus. And then she said she was going to call you guys. And I said, okay, do it.
did she hit you first, or did you hit her first?
I
or-
never hit her. I
Okay.
never put hands
So
on my
she
kids.
hit you in the chest.
Yes.
Okay. So how did she hit? What did that look like? How did she hit you in the chest?
Scratch me, grab me, and like to try to torture me.
What happened after she punched and scratched you?
She goes in her room and then she sleeps. I leave her alone. I go sleep myself, you know.
How'd you get her to stop?
She stopped because she leaves all the time. She leaves. She runs the streets all night.
I will look at your phone in a minute, all right, and look at your apartment and see what it looks like, okay? Just
Okay.
give me a minute.
You guys wanna believe this witch? She's such a mean person,
I'm sorry to hear that.
you know. Teenagers, you know. I now know you have kids, you know. Don't ever have kids in life.
Don't ever have kids. So you're good to go. We're gonna document all this in a report. And it'll get referred to the juvenile department.
It's her mom. It's grandma's car.
Okay.
She's like, I don't know. I guess her and grandma are really against like her driving the car. So
Just let your grandma know you're taking the car to go to your dad's, and that way if your mom tries to call it in,
Hello?
it's covered.
Nani, I'm with the officers right now. I'm trying to go to Dad's house, but I can't take the car unless you say I can, because Mom's just dumb. So can I take the car to Dad's house?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm gonna go home.
All right, you drive safe, okay?
There was an argument between a mother and a daughter, and we're gonna document this. And the mother is gonna be staying here at the apartment. She's pretty intoxicated, and the daughter is going down to her father's house. Hey, how you doing, man? Officer Loban, Hillsboro Police. The reason I stopped you is because you don't have any lights on your bike.
Oh,
I just don't want you to get hit. You're wearing all black.
yeah.
You got a reflector, but you need a light up there and then a reflector on the back. Do you have your ID on you?
No, I don't.
You don't have an ID?
No.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Christian.
Christian? I'm Matthew. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How far away is home?
Like 3 minutes.
3 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I just want you to get some lights on there because I don't want
Yeah.
somebody to hit you, you know what I mean? He said he's pretty close to home and he's on the sidewalk, so hopefully he gets home safe, gets some lights on his bike.